Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. This vehicle has 87,315 miles, and it is a hybrid. Currently, it is driving in the gas mode. It's nice and smooth. The suspension feels good. That's a really big bump there. So the vehicle just shut off and it's in the electric mode. And then now it just switched over to gas. Brakes feel good. The steering wheel doesn't shake or anything when you apply the brakes. It definitely drives really nice. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a 2015 Lexus RX 450H. H stands for hybrid, and we're going to do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash on there. It looks really good. Here on the fender, we have a really small scratch. We got a couple small scuffs here. Rock chip there. And there. Here on the side mirror, you have a couple scratches and a deeper gash that does catch my nail. It went through the paint, and a small scuff here. The rest of that mirror looks good. A-pillar looks clean. Here on the passenger door, we have a couple scuffs there. A chip that's been touched up. A few minor scuffs. That lower section looks good. We have a scratch here that does catch my nail, and a couple smaller ones. Another small scuff. That catches my nail. A few small scuffs here, a chip on the door edge. The rest of that looks good. The back right wheel, we have some curb rash here, there, and on that edge. We have some scratches and scuffs on that rear quarter, and potentially a little crease there, it looks like. Yeah, we have a crease and a ding there. And then checking out the front, overall those headlights look good. We do have some rock chips here on the hood. Some of them have been touched up, others have not. And a couple larger ones there. Overall, that headlight looks good. I don't see any yellowing. Now we do have some wear on the grille here from rock impacts. Little stain on the top side. More chips kind of peppered throughout that grille. And then of course you're going to have some rock chips on the front bumper. We have a larger one there. One here. Got one right there. And it looks like a gash that's been touched up. Got a chip right here on the sensor. And a couple small ones peppered throughout here. Otherwise, that front end looks good. And looking at the engine bay, there's not much to see with all the plastic, but the plastic itself looks really nice. Engine cover looks good. And the underside of the hood is nice and clean. Looking at the driver's side here, Have a larger chip there that's been touched up. A couple small rock chips on the fender. The rest of that fender looks good. That wheel looks nice. I don't see any curb rash. Side mirror's clean. Got a couple chips here on the A-pillar. The rest of that looks good. Making our way down the side. See a scratch right there. Little scuff here. Got a scuff there. Just a couple minor ones here and there. Got a few more here. Got some scratches on the edge. Then looking at this wheel, you have a little curb rash right there. Then looking at the back bumper here on the lower side, you're gonna see a crease here and some spider cracking. Looks like they backed into something. So you see some small scratches and gashes throughout. We have a gash right there. Small scratches kind of peppered throughout. The rest of that bumper looks good. Taillights look good. Everything else looks nice. So you just have that kind of damage right here. There's a couple creases in the plastic there. Here in the cargo section, all this carpet looks really nice. You do have a cargo shade cover, and it is power. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is really, really clean. You can tell they definitely took care of it. Now we do have some wrinkles here on this armrest just from kind of everyday wear. And then it does have a dash mat. If you look underneath, the dash looks amazing. It is there to protect it. Steering wheel looks good. Now we do have some wrinkles, of course, on this seat. A little bit of wear. I don't see any rips or tears though. The buttons on the steering wheel look nice. The rest of this looks good. Cubby works perfect. Heated and cooled seats. The interior on this is very, very clean. Then here on the back left door panel, we do have a rip in the leather. Kick plate area looks good. That bolster looks nice. That seat looks good. Then here on the front right door panel, that looks really good. All of this is nice and clean. The wood grain looks good. Kick plate area looks perfect. Nice and clean carpets. Now we do have some wrinkles, of course, on the seat with just every day getting in and out. And we do have some scratches on that bolster. A few on this one as well. I don't see any rips or tears. This side of the console looks good. And of course, like I said, it does have a dash mat. And it's all on there by Velcro. And everything underneath it looks really good. So it has protected it. Then you got the big sunroof here. And then looking at the back right door panel, looks amazing. Kick plate area is clean. Got a couple scuffs on this seat, but otherwise looks really good back here. Seat backs look nice.